I'm Rob Saxon. I'm a student in Penville College of the Master of Science program in Organizational Leadership. I'm also Director of Web Management at Mercer University. For 25 years I've been involved in disability advocacy work, and that started very young. When I was 16 years old, Governor Miller appointed me to the Georgia Council on Developmental Disabilities, and every state has a similar council, and at that moment I was the youngest person to ever be appointed to a state DD council in the country. And it really gave me an opportunity to discover that I have a love for disability advocacy. And being a part of the nonprofit concentration within the Masters of Organizational Leadership, I've rekindled that flame and really have loved getting to look at those issues within the program and within my work as well. One of the important parts of the program is research, and every student has to participate in a research project. And for me, I wanted to try to marry my passions for research, and what I was able to do is take my love for Mercer and for IT and marry that with my passion for disability advocacy issues. My research happens to be on web accessibility, so it's about bringing together the web and making it as accessible and usable for people with disabilities as possible. And the program has done a wonderful job of giving me the opportunity to explore that within my own job, and it has made me a better student and a better employee for Mercer. Leadership is something that very few people actually have formal training in that area, and to me it's something that so many organizations lack. Going through the process, learning about leadership, I found that it caused me to really examine how I am as a leader, what my leadership style is, and how I relate to those who work with me and for me. And going through the program really helped me refine myself as a leader. I found that before the program, I was very much more of a transactional leader, more about getting the work done, and the part of the program has helped me become a more transformational leader, where serving others and serving my staff has become a much more important part of the process, not only investing in them professionally, but also personally. One of the real gifts about the program is the quality of the faculty. The faculty in the org leadership program are first rate. I discovered this from the very first class. One of the things that I loved about the undergraduate experience at Mercer was the passion that faculty have for teaching and for loving students and engaging in students' lives. And I really expected to miss that in the graduate program, but I didn't, because the faculty in the graduate program are just as passionate, if not more so. They're so engaging, and they love so much about what they do, and they care about you as a student. And I think that is, they make themselves available to students all the time, and they are willing to work with you. And that's one of the great things about this program, is they know that students are also have a professional life and personal life, and they help students balance that. And so if anyone is concerned about coming to a program and trying to manage being a full-time student and an employee, this program is perfect for them, because it makes the classes convenient. The classes in our case meet on Saturdays, so it's wonderful to work in weekend classes in addition to our jobs. And just knowing that the faculty are there to be flexible and to work with you has been priceless.